This is the VEWIOR True HEPA Air Purifier. Let's take it out of the box. In the box, you get the user manual and the unit itself. You also get the power adapter. It's inside the unit. I want to show you that first. Turn it upside down, give this a twist, as you see, and then you can pull it up and out. And inside, you have the power adapter, as well as the filter, which you have to unwrap from this plastic bag. So here's the top of it. There's a lot of buttons there that you see, a lot going on. This is just like a screen protect, a protective sheet or something, so that mark wouldn't be there. You peel that thing off. I'm not going to do that for right now. And you see there's a lot of buttons on there, but it's very, very simple. So basically, you have a number of different things. Let me tell you a little bit about it first, and then I'll show you how it works. So this air purifier is meant for a large room up to 1,100 square feet. It has three-stage filtering. There's a pre-filter, the actual HEPA filter, and activated carbon as well. So all three of those have to go through there before the air is expelled back into the room. There's a 4-speed fan. It also has a child lock on it, so the settings can't be changed at least easily. I'll show you that. There's a timer on it, which I'll go through. In sleep mode, this is about 15 decibels, pretty much imperceptible. There's also a filter replacement reminder. Typically, the filter will need to be replaced every 3 to 6 months. This also has a PM value, PM 2.5 value. And what we're going to do is get this set up. I'll turn it on and I'll show you that. So we'll go ahead and hit the power button. And it comes up. The display is showing 3 dashes there. Eventually that's going to change to a number. Also, you see colors in here, and that's an indicator of the air quality and what this PM 2.5 value is. Basically, green is good, red is bad, blue is in the middle, essentially is how that works. And after a little bit, it's going to show the actual value there. Now that's going to hunt around for a bit until it finds out exactly what the numbers are and gets everything all configured. You can see that number is going down. I'll show you a little closer here so you could see. And it's going to go up and down and pick and choose what it needs to do. And that's on the auto mode. Eventually the display blanks out like that, just so there aren't any lights in the room. You can also shut this color ring off if you want. But that, again, like I said, is going to hunt around until it finds the exact value in that. And basically, the lower that number, the better the air quality. So it'll give you an at-a-glance indication. You can just tap a button and it'll show you the number that's there. You can also do manual speed. We'll go to the first one. Very, very quiet. Speed 2. You can hear it, but if you are sleeping with it, anything, and it even has its own sleep mode, this wouldn't bother most people. You can press that again for 3. Now it starts getting a whip around the air, and you can hear that. You can also see that number is stabilized down to about 16, 19, 15, somewhere in there. And the 4th mode is the sleep mode, like that. That's going to shut this ring off, and it is on. There's just the slightest bit of air, and like I said, it's practically imperceptible. Only if I stick my ear on it do I hear anything at all, is really what it is. So, pretty good. Let's set that back to 2. I think that's fine. The light, like I said, can be shut off. It has its own button right there. You have a timer, so we can press that. 2 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, or 0, so it's off. You have a child lock. So if we press that, the child lock is on, and now I can't change that, I can't shut it off, none of the other buttons work until I press and hold the child lock until that indicator goes out, and now I can turn it off or back on. And this is all touch control right here. Filter light will come on to remind you when it's time to replace the filter, and you can press that to reset it. So all in all, a very nice air filter with the air quality value listed atop it. The ring light that actually lets you know just at a glance what it's doing. You have 4 different fan speeds. The sleep mode being the 4th speed is practically imperceptible, and you can be assured that the air in your room will be cleaned and purified while you sleep, or you can gear it up during the day or set it to automatic mode, and it'll do what it thinks is right, up and down as it determines based on the current air quality. You'll notice when you have this in your home, if you have it like in a kitchen and you start frying something, you're going to see this thing start picking up and doing things as the air quality gets less and less in the room, until of course it cleans all of that, at which point it will go back down. So it pretty much is a set it and forget it operation. Just check it every now and again to ensure that you don't need to replace the filter, and when you do, they are easily able to be gotten online. So once again, this is the VEWIOR True HEPA Air Purifier. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.